Daniel's kindergarten class, we're going to be talking about weather. What do y'all know about weather?
There's a lot of different types of weather.
Yes, Twyla, do you have anything?
Sometimes it's hot and sometimes it's cold.
Very true. So today we're going to be going over a book, and then we're going to do a little activity, and then we will move on. But let's start with the book. So this book is called The 4 Seasons for Little People. Okay. Do y'all know what a season is?
No.
I know there's 4 of them.
There's 4 seasons, and they change
4 times.
4 times a year, correct. So first we're going to start off with autumn. Do y'all know what autumn is? What's another word for autumn?
Fall.
Fall. What happens in fall?
The leaves fall.
You carve pumpkins.
Right. So
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving's in fall. So autumn color, green, brown, red, gold, tan, and yellow. Wonderful autumn. The rains begin. So long vacation. And back to school. Do y'all go back to school in autumn? Yep. Do y'all know what months are in autumn?
August.
August is in autumn.
August is
September,
in autumn?
October. September and October. Night comes earlier. Have y'all ever noticed that? It gets darker earlier, so when you leave school, it gets dark pretty quick. It's the season for canning. That's autumn. So now we're going to go on to winter. What do y'all think about winter?
Cold.
It's
really cold.
How do you dress in winter?
Jackets.
Tank
Jackets. Do you think you should wear flip-flops? No.
Well,
or tank
sometimes.
tops?
Sometimes.
No.
Texas.
Maybe in Texas. Okay, so this says burr. It's cold.
This is when Christmas is, isn't it?
It is. I think it talks about that in the book. It's really cold. It's the season for snow. We don't get much snow around here, though. Have y'all ever seen snow
Yes.
in here, over in Texas?
Yes.
Like once.
Once.
Several times.
It's the season for playing in the snow. It's the season to sit together near the fire. What are they doing here?
That's a Christmas tree.
They're
Christmas
decorating their
tree.
Christmas
They're decorating
tree.
their Christmas tree. It says it's the season for Christmas. Homes are full of toys. That's winter. So now we're going to move on to, can y'all guess? What are the other 2?
Summer.
Spring.
Spring.
And summer.
We're going to spring. What do y'all think about spring? What happens in the spring?
It's Miss Daniel's favorite one.
It's my favorite
flowers
season.
grow.
The flowers go. How's the weather?
Sunny.
Pretty.
Sometimes it rains.
It rains a lot in the spring and it's pretty sunny. This is when the apple trees bud and the plants grow and the flowers bloom. We always plant flowers out here in the spring. When the sky is blue, when the birds fly north, and the sun warms, because it's about to go into summer. So it's about to start getting really hot. That's spring. So now we're going to move on to summer. So what do we know about summer?
It's hot.
It's hot.
You can wear flip-flops.
You can wear flip-flops. What else do we do in the summer? Do you normally go on vacations in the summer?
We go swimming with our friends.
You go swimming. Are we in school in the summer?
No.
No. Would you wear a big jacket in the summer? No, it'd be too hot, wouldn't it? So summer, when the sun is happy and the fields are full of colors and the fruit ripens and the sun is redder. Have y'all ever noticed that the fruit gets better in the summer? If you go to the store and get fruit, it always tastes a lot better.
It's fresh.
It's fresh. When people travel, like on vacations, and wheat is the color of gold. And boats go to the sea. Have y'all ever been on a boat?
Yes.
And children go to the beach. That's summer.
Miss Daniels, what about riding bicycles?
You can ride bicycles pretty much any time, just as long as you can get out there. So what did y'all learn in this?
There's 4 seasons.
There's 4 seasons. What's your favorite?
Summer.
Summer.
Fall.
Fall. I know my mom likes fall. You like winter? I wish it'd snow around here. That'd be fun. So we're going to do this activity. on this sheet up here, and I'm gonna need y'all to tell me some different types of weather, okay? And I'll write them down. So I've already got a few up here. So these are just things that we use to describe weather. So I've got cloudy, sunny, stormy, and rainy. Can y'all think of any other ones? We don't have to fill the whole thing up, just a few.
Foggy.
Foggy. What does that look like?
It looks like a cloud on the ground.
Yep.
And you can't drive through it.
Yeah, it's really hard to see through it. Can you think of anything else?
Sunny. You know, you already have sunny.
I already have sunny.
Snowy.
Snowy. It's a good one. How about temperature-wise?
Hot.
Hot. When is the hot time?
During summer.
During
I
summer?
thought it was fall.
Nope, it's hot during summer.
Could be.
Cold.
Cold. Yeah, I'll put it over here.
Freezing.
Freezing. Do y'all know how cold it has to be to freeze?
0.
Nope.
32 degrees
Below
Fahrenheit.
32 degrees. Below 32
12.
degrees. Can y'all think of anything else? What about
Dusty.
Windy.
We can put it down. Windy. Yeah, windy's a good one. How about if y'all think of any more, y'all just let me know. So we're gonna do this last activity. We'll do it together. Here's one for me. Here you go. Can y'all think of any ways to measure weather?
Thermometer.
Thermometers, what does that measure?
Temperature.
The temperature.
Like a rain, you can use a rain gauge to see
Rain
how much
gauge.
rain you got.
Yep, especially in a lot of rainy places, or even if it's really dry, they'll measure it to see how much they got for their crops and stuff. Okay, so on this worksheet it says to draw a line to match the word to the picture. So we're just gonna do it together. If I can get a pencil real quick.
I brought my own, Miss Daniels.
Good for you, Riley. Okay, so the first word says sunny. Courtney, can you tell me where the sunny one is?
The sun.
The sunny one is matched to the sun. That's the fourth one down. Josh, how about snowy? Can you tell me where snowy is?
That one's the one on the very bottom.
Right across from cloudy. There you go. How about you, Twyla? Can you tell where partly cloudy is? Do y'all know what partly means?
Not all the way.
Not all the way.
Is it the first one?
It's the first one. You can see the sun peeking out, but there's still a few clouds around it. Okay, Courtney, do you know where rainy is?
It's the second one where there's stuff coming out of the clouds.
Mm-hmm. Good job. And Twyla, can you tell me where cloudy is?
In the middle.
It's right in the middle. All right. Good job. All right, can y'all think of anything else about weather that y'all want to talk about?
We've learned a lot.
Good. All right, well, next lesson,